Okay, and hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change out these straps on your new Panerai and also how to change your existing buckle and place it on the new strap. So why might you want to do that? Well, because buying the original Panerai straps can be very expensive, so purchasing a few straps from a third party might be a good option, because then you can just put your original Panerai buckle on the new strap and it will look complete. So this right here is a Panerai submersible 47mm watch. I did unbox this watch in the previous video, showing you that these tools will be supplied with every Panerai, I do believe. So this is for changing out the straps and this is for changing out the buckle of the straps. Okay, so what I am going to show you guys today is how to change out the straps on your Panerai and also how to transfer over your buckle from the original strap to the new strap. So first of all, I'm going to take off the current strap that's situated on this Panerai submersible. Okay, so how do you do it? Well, it's actually quite simple. You take this black kind of a plastic tool from your box, you pull it apart. Okay, and then what you do is you just very simply push one part down on the lug, which has this kind of a pusher on it. So what this basically does is it unlocks the movement of the spring bar. So what you do is you just push it down and at the same time you push out the bar from the drilled lug holes, like so. Okay, and now you can just very simply pull out the bar, like so. Alright, and then we do the same thing on the other side. So we push down the pusher, like so, and then we push the spring bar out. There you go, and we pull it out, and now we have removed the strap. Okay, so let's put the watch to the side, and now I'm going to show you how to change the buckles of the straps. And this is also quite simple. Okay, and so what you do now is you take this tool from your Panerai box and you very simply just screw the buckle off from the strap. Okay, and now that we have unscrewed this part of the buckle, you can just use a pen or something to push the bar out. There we go. Okay, and so now you should have these three components. So what you do now is you take the short part of your new strap, you make sure that this is the right way around. It's not like this, it's supposed to be like this. You put it in this part here, you align the new buckle into place and you push it in the same way that it came out. And this can be quite difficult because you have to make sure everything is aligned, which can take a few seconds. Okay, now we have to make sure it's aligned with these. Alright, and you just push it in. There you go. Okay, and now when you have done that, you just screw the bar back into place. And there you go. That's how simple it is to change out the buckle of your Panerai watch. So now what you do is you take your watch and let's put the strap back onto the watch. And this is also quite a simple process. It's just doing what we did before but in reverse. So what we do is we push the new strap into place. We take our bar, and so what you do is that you make sure that this part is the part which is going towards the lug with the pusher, which is this one, and you just very simply push it on through and make sure everything is aligned. There you go. Okay, so now what you do is you have to unlock the lug again so that the bar can go into place, and you just use this plastic piece, you push the pusher down and you push the bar like so into place, And now we are done with this side. And now we do the same on the other side. Very simple process. And now I definitely understand why so many of the Panerai owners have these huge collections of watch straps, because it is so simple to change it out. And we do the same thing. We push the pusher in and we push the bar into place like so. And now we have switched out the buckle and also the strap of the watch. Very simple process. There you guys go. Now you know how to change the strap and the buckle of your Panerai watch. Please do feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it. And with that said, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.